morning. Going to be it's afternoon now. Going to be a short video today. Did my regular running around in the car this morning, so just going to do something quick, but we'll go for a ride. It's been raining off and on all day, so conditions haven't been ideal to ride anywhere far anyways, and I just didn't feel like getting stuck in the thunderstorms today. So you may see we started on this blue Sportster here. My son wants to do a father-son project, so I let him do a lot of the work and I just kind of explained to him or told him what bolts to take out, stuff like that. So he didn't really want to be videoed, so that's why there's no video of that so far. The ignition switch is swapped out. There's a new battery in it, and the fuel tank's out. We have vinegar in it so it can be cleaned. The seat's off. Also got these other two off the trailer over here. So maybe he'll get sick of working on stuff, and if so, and it's just me working on it, I'll make a video of what I do to these things. But for now, I'll just give you updates on the progress rather than actual videos doing the stuff. So maybe it wants choke today. Yeah, that helps. Getting the new battery in that bike, you can check the mileage, and it's in the 20,000 still. I think it was 24,000 or 26,000, something like that, so not too bad. And hit the starter button, it just clicks, so hopefully the motor ain't locked up from sitting. Hopefully it's just the starter, needs to be freed up, but probably figure that out next. But for now I'm going to go get some PB Blaster. I think it might be a good idea to take out the spark plugs and just hose the cylinders down with some PB Blaster and let it kind of soak. So when I do crank it over, not damaging the rings or anything like that. Once the cylinders are all oiled up and had an opportunity to sit and kind of soak in, I might click it in gear and just try to move the engine over that way. Just push it a little in gear with the spark plugs out. Make sure the engine's free. And if it is, that's when I'll have to maybe disconnect the starter. I know the connection on the starter is a little bit green, but it's not the worst that I've seen. It's not that bad, but still not going to hurt to pull that cable off, clean it real good, make sure there's a good connection there. Over here. Formerly, previously known as Murray's Auto Parts. used to go as a kid, me and my dad, to pick up parts for our cars that we were working on. So they got these everywhere. The one we're going to is right there. I could have walked here. But why walk when you can take a motorcycle, right? I got it right here, $8. I was going to get the $10 can, but it didn't have a straw on it, which is weird. Usually it has a straw taped to the side of it, but for some reason those ones in there didn't. So prefer a more precise spray. To be a shortcut, but really I'm not in a hurry. I just hate sitting at red lights. I mean, it still didn't change. We'd be sitting back there still right now. I enjoy riding, not sitting. Couple streets too far to go back home because you know, trying to enjoy the ride a little bit. Take the long way home, why not, right? Today because of the rain and the wind and everything, so I ended up just going to the gym, which is fine. I like that, but I prefer to do both. I like to walk on the beach barefoot, sun on my back, and then later in the day go to the gym and either work out or maybe take a short treadmill walk for like a half hour or something. I'm just trying to stay alive. You know, I'm retired, I don't work. I gotta stay somewhat active. My workout routine is less about getting ripped or getting buff or getting swole, and it's more about just not sitting on the couch. counts, right? Doesn't matter how fast you're going, what the incline is, what you're doing. You're doing something. Look at all these motorcycles. What am I going to do with these things? Wife says about all these motorcycles is, well, at least I don't have 10 cars anymore. If you liked the video, like the video. If you haven't subscribed, I appreciate it if you did. I'm trying to grow this channel, make it bigger if possible. But either way, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.